Hi there, my name is Ashley Cripps, and I'm a physiotherapist and a fellow of the Canadian Academy of Manipulative Physiotherapists, or CAMPT-Certified. I've been a member of CAMP now for 5 years. In my spare time, I am passionate about running, and I love helping runners get back to the track or trail or to reach their training goals. In my practice, one of the conditions that I often encounter is plantar fasciitis. It's a pretty common condition, you've likely heard of it. It usually presents as heel pain, oftentimes where the plantar fascia inserts onto the heel bone. This condition is usually quite painful after periods of inactivity, so people will complain of pain those first few steps in the morning or if they've been sitting for a while and haven't been on their feet. As a CAMPT-certified physiotherapist, I can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. The good news is plantar fasciitis does tend to respond well to conservative treatment. There's good scientific evidence that certain therapeutic exercises in particular are quite efficacious, quite helpful. One of these exercises is stretching the plantar fascia. So if we dorsiflex or bend the ankle up towards your leg and extend the toes, that stretches our plantar fascia. Other exercises include strength exercises for the muscles that also help to support your arch, and exercises that strengthen the muscles that stabilize the ankle. These exercises are usually effective not just at managing our symptoms, but also they're preventative, so they can prevent the condition from reoccurring or from happening in the first place. Your therapist will often combine therapeutic exercise with other physiotherapy techniques. There's hands-on techniques that we can use to ensure that the muscles are loose, that the joints are moving well, and that the whole system is operating effectively. We'll often combine manual therapy with other adjunct techniques like needling or taping. If heel pain is something that you're experiencing, you can come see me at Corona Station Physical Therapy if you live in Edmonton, or check the CAMP website for a CAMP-certified physiotherapist near you.
CAMP-certified physiotherapists have received internationally recognized training in hands-on therapy. We can help you get better, recover faster, and stay healthier. So if you want to stay active in the things you love to do, then look for this logo. For more information on how to find a CAMP-certified physiotherapist, visit www.manippt.org.